Hello, welcome to Kaun Banega Smart Buyer. In this video, we are here to share you the best handheld smartphone gimbals in India that you can buy in the market. On the spot 5 in our list, DJI OM4. The DJI OM4 is set to feature a magnetic phone clamp and a magnetic ring holder that should enable effortless capturing of videos. The 3-axis stabilization should ensure shake-free videos. It is set to feature gesture control that should make clicking selfies with your smartphone easy. The gimbal claims to be compatible with most Android and iOS smartphones. The DJI OM4 has magnetic attachments that let you connect the smartphone effortlessly to the gimbal whenever you want to shoot videos. The price of DJI OM4 is Rs 17,999 approximately. You can check the link in description. On the spot 4 in our list, DJI Osmo Mobile 3. The DJI Osmo Mobile 3 has a 3-axis stabilizer that should provide smooth, shake-free video output. It is a suitable choice for content creators as it provides good portability with its portable design. The gimbal is lightweight and the motor should respond to the movement swiftly. The DJI Osmo Mobile 3 is said to be compatible with devices having iOS 10.0 and above or Android 7.0 and more. The price of DJI Osmo Mobile 3 is Rs 6,999 approximately. You can check the link in description. On the spot 3 in our list, Moza Mini MX. The Moza Mini MX is said to have an ergonomic design that should be comfortable to operate. It should allow you to shoot continuously without worrying about any strain on your hands. It is said to come with deep red anti-shake algorithm that should provide you with smooth and stabilized footage. The Moza Mini MX is said to offer a linear editing system that should allow you to cut, add, paste, add filters and effects via the Moza Genie app. The price of Moza Mini MX is Rs 8,999 approximately, and you can check the link in description. On the spot 2 in our list, Hohem iSteady Mobile Plus. The Hohem iSteady Mobile Plus claims to rotate a complete 360 degree and shoot 3D fantasy videos. It offers a maximum payload of 280G and it is said to be compatible with more Android and iOS smartphones. The inbuilt battery is said to offer 12 hours of backup and can also be used as a power bank to charge the smartphone if needed. The Hohem iSteady Mobile Plus gimbal comes with the sports mode that should allow you to take smooth shots while being on the move. On the spot 1 in our list, Adafruit's 1-axis gimbal. The Adafruit's gimbal is said to feature a powerful sports gyroscope, motor control, anti-shake stabilization, and auto-balance technology that should ensure stable footages and avoid unwanted movement in shots. The gimbal is easy to use and does not require an app for operation. It comes with a 360-degree adjustable clip head that can be controlled with a button. The Adafruit's gimbal is said to come with wireless remote control that should allow you to capture selfies from far. The price of Adafruit is Rs 2,899 approximately, and you can check the link in description. That's it for the video. If you liked it, please subscribe Kaun Banega Smart Buyer channel. Thank you. Bye bye.